Hi guys, have you had hummus before? The answer is yes. You'll know the number one ingredient in hummus is chickpeas. So we decided to grow some of our own this year. We started off with chickpeas, which we usually get from our grocery store, and they look like this. There are 2 or 3 different varieties which you can get. The ones which look white like this. There's a smaller variety which is brown, which look like this, and they also come in a smaller variety, and they look green when they are dried. So what I did is I soaked some of the chickpeas, the same quantity as you see in this container, 50 to 100. Soak them overnight so that the seed gets a little soft, and put them in the ground inch and a half deep. And in 2 months time I get small plants like this which have pods. Each one of these pods have either 1 or 2 chickpeas. So what we're going to do is harvest the pods which you see here. So we begin from a dried chickpea like this, then we get the pods. Within the pods you have the chickpeas, which kinda looks green early on, and as they mature the color changes to more whitish to the parent, how they started. And as you see, this one is becoming more whiter and more firmer. So the taste is, and if we let it dry, it would eventually become how we started the chickpeas. So the taste is very sweet. In this stage, if you harvest them, same as with peas, if you eat them like raw, they are super sweet. At this stage, where I'm from in India, we took this whole plant and roasted it in fire, and if you harvest these and eat, they have that great smoky roasted taste. And then if you let them dry like this, and you can buy them like this in your grocery stores, then you can either use them in dishes, your salads, you can make hummus, and we make something called Punjabi Choley. It's a very delicious dish. Look it up. I'll put the name in the description. And this year, from handful of chickpeas, I have gotten these many plants, and I am going to harvest the pods and get the chickpeas out. It's definitely very rewarding and something I'll be doing next year as well. So I'll see you next time. Till then, happy gardening.